Everyone keeps asking me, what's really going on with the real estate market right now? Prices are high, rates are unpredictable, and nobody seems to know should I buy, sell, or just wait. I am David Kirilluk, and this is Enter Talks, where we talk real estate, money, and mindset without the hype. In this video, I am breaking down what's actually happening, what I am seeing firsthand as an investor, and what I believe is coming by 2026. Let's get into it.
Enter Talks.
Let's start with the truth. The market is not crashing, it's correcting. The days of blind bidding wars and overpaying for houses of the block, those are gone. Buyers today are cautious, sellers adjusting expectations, and serious investors are going back to fundamentals. They look at cash flow, location, long-term value. So, no, the sky is not falling. It's just getting real again. We are in reality today. Now, here's the weird part. We have inventory, but it's not moving. You scroll listing and think there is a lot of homes out there, but they are sitting. Why? Because millions of homeowners are locked into ultra-low mortgage rates, 2 to 3%, and they are not about to trade that for 5-7% higher. So we got homes on paper, but not in play. It's strange market, plenty to see, little to buy. That's why prices have not dropped the way people expected. Supplies is technically there, but not really available. People say, my neighbor 2 years ago sold his house for $790 and now you are offering me $600. No way, I will not sell my house lower than my neighbor sold. So they list the property on the market for the price their neighbor sold. And they do not get offers. They take the property off the market and they say, I will wait until the price will go back to that number. Yes, rates are higher, and that's changed how people buy. But demand is not gone, it's evolved. The emotional over-asking bidding wars are done. Now we are seeing smarter deals, buyers negotiating, finding value, and planning to refinance later when the rates drop because they believe in it. The smart ones know that if you marry the house, not the rate, you need to pick up the best properties. If the numbers work today, you can always improve your financing tomorrow because everybody expecting that interest rates will go down. And if you pay today, higher price looks like with a higher interest. When the price will drop, property value will raise up again and you will overpay. So it's cheaper to buy now when the interest rate are higher, expecting that interest rate will drop and they will pay less for the property than those who are waiting for the best interest. And for investors, this kind of market is where real wealth is built. Rents are strong, inventory is tight, and the gap between owning and renting keeps widening. The winners right now are looking for cash flowing properties in areas with the population growth and job stability, because that's where the demand will stay high into 2026. Think long term, not just next month. The people who keep buying assets now while others wait will be sitting on serious equity later. So you need to make smart decision. You make decision. You get advice. You do your homework. There is also a big shift happening. Co-living and shared housing. People do not pay attention to it, but this is serious. We are seeing more people, especially younger generations and families, choosing to live together. 4 or 8 renters in one home, or 2 or 3 families under one roof. It's not just about saving money anymore. It's about community and flexibility. This trend is growing fast and it's changing how investor thinks about property use. Multi-tenant layouts, shared amenities, and rent by room strategies are the new wave heading into 2026. People want to live in a comfortable homes, but they cannot afford to pay themselves. That's why they rent as communities to live in their nice houses. Here is the hard truth. The people who keep waiting for the crash might wait themselves out of the market completely. What used to be a short pause could turn into the permanent delay. Prices might not skyrocket, but affordability will keep shrinking. So if you are serious about buying or investing, now is not the time to chase the perfect deal. It's time to plan smart, move strategically, and position yourself before the next wave hits. Guys, pay attention, educate yourself. Educate yourself.
Enter Talks.
That's my honest take on what's really happening in the real estate market and what's coming in 2026. I am David Kirilyuk, and this is Enter Talks, where we keep it real, not hype, just facts. If this gives you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear the truth. I'll see you in the next one.